Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Jackson.
All right. Today we'll be learning an assignment on how to identify lines in space notes. And they'll be on the treble clef. Can anyone tell me how to identify a line note?
It will have a line going right through the space.
So if I put this up here, is that considered a line note?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about this?
No, sir.
Why not?
Because it's a space note. Because it's a space note.
Okay, but someone else.
It's in between the lines.
It's in between the lines, that's correct. All right. And who can identify and tell me how to identify a space note?
It has no line going through it.
Okay, so is this a space note?
No, sir.
Why not?
It has a line on it.
It don't have a line going through it. It's a space note, so it's supposed to be in the middle of it.
Okay, so what about this one? Is
Yes,
that a
sir.
space note? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to teach you all the space note, and this is a good way to remember it. The first one we have is F. The next one is the second to the last one is called A. Then we have C. Then we have E. And if you spell those out together, you have space. So what is this one?
E.
What's this one?
A.
And what's this one?
F.
And what's this one?
C.
And what is that spell?
Face.
Going from down to up. What's that spell?
Face.
Face. Okay. Then you have your line notes here. You have E, G, B, D, and F. And a good way or acronym we have here is every good boy does fine. And so this is E, G, B, D, and F. And what's the acronym for it to be able to remember it?
Every good boy does fine.
Okay, so what note is this?
B.
What note is this? E.
Fine.
Yeah. Okay, and what note is this?
E.
Okay. What note is this?
G.
Okay. I think I did all of them. So let's go back over it. What note is this?
C.
And that's a what kind of note?
Space.
Space note. And what note is this?
G.
And that's what kind of note?
Line.
All right. Now we're going to do some musical spelling, and it'll be all based on sentence structure. If I get 4 volunteers to come up and get in a line right here, you can just come up at random, just 4. Okay. What I need you to do is write each letter of the line or space note under here. So you're going to write here, and then the next person's going to write it here, and so forth and so on. So write what's this note, and then go on. Okay, now explain to the class what this is. Especially what this is. So what note that is, and explain for them what everything is. The spelling.
This is the line note and it's the letter P. This is the space note and it's the letter A. This is a line note and it is the letter G. This is the line note and it's the letter G. This is the space note note and it's the letter A. This is the line note and it is the letter G. And this is the space note and it's the letter E.
Okay, so class, what's this sentence spell? It said, put the,
Baggage in the car.
so this first one spells baggage.
Baggage.
The first one spells again?
Baggage.
All right, thank you. All right, the next, do the same thing she did. Okay. All right, explain to the class what you did.
This is a line note and it's the letter F. This is a space note and it's the letter E. This is a space note and it's the letter E.
Okay, so class, what did this sentence say?
What is a doctor's fee?
And so what does this word spell?
Fee.
Okay. The next. Okay. Explain to the class what you did.
This is a space note and it's the letter C. This is a space note, this is the letter A. This is a line note, this is the letter G. And this is a line note and this is the letter E.
Okay, so class, what did this sentence say?
The bird is in the cage.
And what does this word spell?
Cage.
All right. Next one. This is a big word here. Okay, explain to the class what you did.
This is a space note and this is the letter C. This is a space note and this is the letter A. This is a line note and this is the letter B. This is a line note and this is the letter B. This is a space note and this is the letter A. This is a line note and this is the letter G. This is a line note and this is the letter E.
Okay. So class, what did this sentence spell?
Cabbage is my favorite vegetable.
And the word here is?
Cabbage.
All right, so you all know the difference between space and line notes now.
Yes.
So what's a space note?
A space note is when it doesn't have a line going through it.
And what are the space notes?
Space notes are space, S-A-C.
Okay, and tell me the difference between the line notes.
The line note has a line going through it.
And what are the line notes? Give me the line notes.
E, G,